DJI's Osmo Pocket series has long been known for making cinematic quality video accessible in a tiny package. It's been a favorite among vloggers, travelers, and creators who want pro-level footage without lugging around heavy equipment. But this time, DJI seems ready to go beyond a simple upgrade. Rumors suggest the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 won't just bring minor improvements, it could introduce major innovations in both hardware and software. If the leaks are accurate, this little camera might rival even some high-end setups. Starting with design, the Pocket 4 is said to feature a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, up from the previous model's 2-inch display. While that might sound like a small difference, it's a big usability boost, especially with a reported 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits brightness, making it easier to frame shots even in bright sunlight. The body itself is expected to be more ergonomic, with a refined grip texture and reposition buttons for better comfort during long shoots. Though it may weigh slightly more at about 190 grams, the added hardware could make that extra weight worthwhile. One of the most exciting updates is the sensor. The Pocket 4 is rumored to house a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This means sharper detail, improved low-light performance, and a more natural depth of field. Combined with an expanded ISO range up to 6400 for video and 16000 for stills, creators can expect cleaner images even in tricky lighting. Add 10-bit color, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, and you get flexible footage that holds up beautifully in post-production. Autofocus is also expected to get a major boost. The previous models sometimes struggled with fast-moving subjects, but the Pocket 4 may feature phase detection, autofocus, and eye tracking, helping it stay locked onto subjects even in action-packed scenes. Under the hood, a new processor is reportedly on the way. This chip will manage higher data rates, real-time HDR previews, and more advanced computational photography, streamlining editing and reducing the need for post-shoot corrections. Among the rumored smart features is Active Track 7.0, which combines the new autofocus with enhanced subject tracking. Whether you're running, biking, or vlogging on the move, the camera might keep you centered and sharp. The stabilization system is also expected to improve, pushing DJI's blend of mechanical and electronic stabilization even further. This should result in ultra-smooth footage, even without a gimbal. One standout feature is the rumored ability to shoot 4K at 240 frames per second. That's twice the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3, ideal for capturing fast action, sports, or dramatic moments in silky slow motion. Battery life is another area of improvement. A larger battery and better power management should mean longer recording sessions and less time worrying about recharging. When it's time to top up, fast charging could refill the battery in just 25 minutes, beating the Pocket 3's recharge time. Improved heat management should also help the camera perform reliably, even in hot conditions or during extended shoots. As for release timing, DJI may follow its usual schedule and launch the Pocket 4 in late 2026 or early 2027. Price rumors suggest $699 for the base model and $799 for a creator combo with accessories. While that's a price jump over the Pocket 3, the added features could offer strong value, especially for professionals. Interestingly, there's also talk of DJI collaborating with Huawei, potentially shaking up the mirrorless camera market. Both companies bring impressive strengths: DJI with its expertise in drones, gimbals, and camera tech, and Huawei with its cutting-edge mobile photography and AI processing. If they team up, we could see a camera that rivals, or even surpasses, the offerings from industry giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Overall, the Pocket 4 looks poised to become the most capable handheld camera yet, and DJI's ambitions might soon expand beyond compact gear. Whether you're more intrigued by the Pocket 4 or the idea of a DJI mirrorless system, it's clear that exciting times lie ahead for creators.